If you're starting an online hair business, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your website with Shopify. I'll be covering everything from setting up your account to creating and designing your website. Then I'll show you how to launch your first hair product. The first thing you'll want to do is create your Shopify account. Shopify does offer a free trial so that you can explore the platform without having to select a plan just yet. There's also a way that you guys can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. This gives you an extended amount of time before you have to commit to a long-term plan just yet. I'm going to put that Shopify sign-up link in the description box below. When it comes time to choose a plan, usually the basic plan is a good place to start, especially if you're a solopreneur managing your business yourself. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, go ahead and click on Online Store. This is where you'll see the default free theme that Shopify gives you that you can start customizing. You can also scroll down and take a look at some of their other free themes that they have. Click the Edit Theme button so that you can start customizing your website. It's going to open up your theme editor, and you'll probably notice some default sections that are already added to the website, like some featured collections. In a moment, I'm going to recommend where you can get some pre-designed Shopify themes that are made specifically for hair businesses in case you're not too design savvy. For now, I'm going to show you a quick way that you can DIY your website setup. So click on the theme settings icon and then go to logo. This is where you can upload your brand's logo along with your favicon image. Try to use a logo with a transparent background. Once you added your logo to your website, you can click on colors, which is where you can adjust or create new color schemes that match your brand. So notice you can click on the color schemes and then you can change the background colors and then also the text colors. As you're editing, you can also click into different sections on your homepage, and then you can delete the sections that you feel like you don't need on the homepage. You can delete some of the featured collections or any extra banner sections. For your main banner that might be at the top of your website, click on it and then you can upload an image of one of your hair products. You can finish customizing this main banner by editing the heading text. And then depending on the theme, you might be able to put the text in bold or even increase the size of the text. If there's a button label on your banner, you can retitle the button label and then you can select exactly which page you want to link the button label to. So you can link it to your Shop All page or your collections page or even a new product that you just launched. This way you're directing your website visitors directly to a specific page. You might have a catalog page and then also a contact page on your website. You can click on those pages and you can customize them or add new sections to them if you would like. Those are some ways you can DIY your website. And if you're running your hair business and you want a professionally designed and laid out Shopify website, I have a variety of Shopify theme templates designed specifically for hair stores. These can help you to save a ton of time from having to code or design your website. On my website, I have this Shopify theme available, along with some collections of other types of Shopify themes for different business types. Using a pre-done Shopify theme allows you to get that professional look for your website. The website template is customizable. You can change the colors, add your pictures, and add your products, and after installing it, you can publish it. The install process is quite simple. Once you've picked a theme that you like, the template is going to arrive as a zip file, and on Shopify, you can click Upload a zip file to upload it straight into your store. You'll be able to open it, customize it, and publish it. And depending on your business type or your branding style, I have a variety of Shopify templates with different styles for you to choose from. Every one of my Shopify themes include a step-by-step installation guide to show you how to install and set up the template. There's no coding required, and using a website template can give your store that optimized, elevated look without you needing design or coding experience. I'm going to link this Shopify theme in the description box below, and I'll put another link so that you can find other themes in different styles and grab the one that fits your brand to perfection. I went ahead and installed a hair Shopify theme. If you guys like this theme, I'm going to link it in the description box below. Next, I'll be showing you step-by-step how to list your first hair product and how you can feature it on your homepage. So you want to exit your theme editor and then go to your Shopify dashboard. Click on the Products tab, and then you can click Add Product, and this is where you'll start filling in all of your product details, starting with just your product title and then also a clear and easy to understand description. You'll notice in the description field that there are a few different ways you can format and customize your product description. And I also want to mention that I have a community you guys can join that includes a collection of Shopify resources designed to help you get started. There are sales copy prompts to help you generate your product descriptions and your website's about us text. And there's more products to help you improve your website, like size chart templates, product launch planners, and so much more along with the Shopify Basics Guide. As a member, you'll have access to download and start using all of these resources for your website. I'll link it in the description box. I'm going to open up one of the prompt packs that's included. This prompt pack has a description prompt, so I'm going to copy that and then paste it into ChatGPT. I'm customizing it so that it matches this specific hair product, and this way you can just use ChatGPT to generate your description. I'm next going to take that description and then just copy it and paste it into the description field on Shopify. Inside the description, you can customize the text and even put some of the text in bold or italic. You'll also notice that you can insert videos and pictures throughout the description if you would like. As you scroll down, you'll see the inventory and shipping sections. This is where you'll want to enter how much stock you have currently available for your product. And you can also add your product's packaging size and shipping weight details. Next, you can add variants to your product if your hair item comes in different lengths, colors, or sizes. So here you can see I'm adding some different variants for this product. Once you add your variant, don't forget to insert the inventory amount that you have for each variant. You'll also see an area for the product meta fields, which allows you to add specific details like color, size, and category for your product. And then you can customize the search engine listing preview if you'd like to adjust how the product appears in search results. After that, scroll up on the page and fill in additional details on the sidebar, including the product type, the vendor, and also the product tags. These tags can help customers search and find products within your store more easily. So for example, the tags you add would represent the search terms that your customers will search in your website to find this type of item that you're listing. Once everything looks good, you'll want to save your product and then head back to Online Store, which is where you can open up your website editor. And inside your website editor, you can open up the product that you just now launched. You can make any final tweaks on the product page and then check how it appears on mobile by clicking the mobile icon. You can rearrange the layout and the sections that are on your product page, and you can also customize different parts like the product media layout or even the color scheme of this page. And then finally, you can click on your logo to return back to the homepage of your website. And from there, you can decide how you want to showcase that product on your homepage, whether that's adding a featured product section or even adding that product to a featured collection. You can even feature the product on your main banner if you want it to be the first thing that your website visitors see when they enter your website. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.